Right. So, Harsh, that's a very interesting question because, actually at Greenfuel, we have been following e-mobility since 2011. I personally toured all of Taiwan, Sweden, everywhere to see what are the emerging technologies in battery, in powertrains, etc., etc. But 2011 was too early. As we talk about 2020, I think I still see EV in India at a very nascent stage. And this is primarily because today the market is a e-rickshaw and low-speed two-wheeler story. And for EVs really to become mainstream, this has to change. We cannot say our total Indian e-mobility story is going to be centered around only e-rickshaws and low-speed two-wheelers, right? So in the coming years, I really hope to see more fit for purpose, different application kind of EVs, which are more robust and reliable, and in fact better than ICE. I want consumers to say, and I hope that happens, that it's a great vehicle, but oh, great, it also happens to be electric, right? I think we shouldn't look at e-mobility as if it's a compromise on something. In fact, if it's better, I've personally driven a lot of EVs all around the globe, and I can tell you, once you've driven an EV, you don't want to drive an ICE, right? And that should be really what's on our mind instead of these 25 kilometer per hours or these rickety looking rickshaws. I'm not saying they serve a purpose, right? And they are a starting point, but I think the future cannot be this, right? So when I use the word fit for purpose, so for example, you look at delivery vehicles, right? EV offers you the flexibility to have great kind of different delivery vehicles. But what about the manufacturers looking at not the lowest cost, but the lowest TCO, right? Does it have the right volume? Does it offer the right, fit for the fleet owner? Does it carry more cargo per trip? Does it give the requisite kilometers? So what I mean is start looking at robust, reliable, application fit vehicles. So, you look at a shuttle ferrying passengers. Why does a shuttle have to look like a rickety bus, right? It could look like something else, right? So I think EVs offer that great flexibility, and I think we in India really need to look at that. As far as green fuel is concerned, we are very clear. Our role is always going to be a partner in providing zero defect, lowest total cost of ownership, safe and reliable battery solutions to our partners. And when I use the word battery solutions, as you know, one battery pack does not fit all products, right? And it's very important to get into the application, the expectations, the requirements, all of that. And that's where I see green fuel play a major role because battery is 40% of the 40 to 50% of the cost of the vehicle, but to me, 90% of the brand value of the vehicle, right? And we have to be partners in our customer success. That's how I see Greenfuel's role in the coming years with this EV story.